answer huge questions about what shale gas extraction could mean for human health and the environment. He hasn't graphed yet.
Thank you.
There's so much inertia. Sorry, wrong word. So much momentum
Thank you.
in the gas industry right now.
Good boy. Help me unload the dishwasher. Awesome.
Shale resources, and there's so much bipartisan
Can I have that one?
support
Ramen?
in Washington for it to happen. And there's so
Thank you.
little resistance to slow it
Can you
down,
help me with the cups?
to ask these big questions that take a long time to answer. What are the cumulative environmental and health impacts of a large-scale development of 100,000 wells
Thank
in
you.
the region?